Hello friends and family, it's me, your girl Manimaker. This is my first video with a voiceover and it will be a September nail haul. This is the first package. I got something from AliExpress. Actually, I'll show you a lot of things that I got from AliExpress. Let's see what's in the first package. What is it? Oh, it's a glue. I had it on my AliExpress recommendation page, so I just ordered it. Is there anything else in the package? Oh, nothing. Okay, so let's check this glue. Opens pretty easily. Okay, so here it is. It says on the package that it's a no wipe drill gel, but let's check how it works. Okay, so it's a turn lock and we have a thin brush. It doesn't have a strong smell, so that's a good thing for sure, but when I saw it on AliExpress, it was supposed to have a thin applicator, which I'm trying to find it. Maybe it's from the other side, but let's check. Okay, I'm twisting it again. There was a needle. Okay, whatever. But there is nothing here, so there is no any other applicators apart from the brush. I don't know what the needle is for. No idea. So we are closing this back, and this is the glue. Let's get on to another package. Here is the parcel number 2 and let's open it up. Alrighty, let's check. Let's take everything out. Oh, here's a thank you note from Skvp shop. I ordered a few things from an official Skvp shop on AliExpress. I saw some pretty gels there. I don't know about the quality. This is the first time me ordering from them. So let's check. Here's first is a little tin, not exactly a tin, a little box, whatever, I don't know. It has a gel inside, like an effect gel. It's a color 001. And okay, it's sealed, that's a good thing. Let's open it. Can you see it? This is some hollow effect glitters. I'm showing you here a clip. I had a black base on a nail and then I applied those glitters. Next we have 2 cat eye gel polishes, also from Skvp, and let me show you the colors. This is 007. Okay, and it has a pink shade. You can see it on the mini clip. Then the next one, of course, it's a blue shade. And also you can see it on the mini clip. I already have a video on my channel with those 2 gels. You can find it in the cards to this video. And then let's open the next package. And here we have a big order from Bone Pretty from AliExpress as well. I didn't order it on official page. I had it from some of the shops, like AliExpress shops. I don't know why. It's just the prices were better, I guess. So let's open the first one. This is a base gel, a peelable base gel. I saw one of the YouTube nail creators using a similar product to this, but from a different brand. As we do our nails on a regular basis, we need to shoot those videos for you. We have to get our nails done very often, and instead of just removing them all the time with a drill, she used this. so I wanted to try it as well, and I got it from this particular brand. This gel has a medium consistency, I would say. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you know later. And this one, this is a foil glue. There is no point in opening it, it's just a transparent foil glue. Okay, here's some gels. This is something that I was very excited about. I have 5 tints. 3 of them are light reflective glitter gels, and 2 of them are metallic gels. Let's check how they look. I have 2 metallic shades. I have no idea which one this is. The bad thing about these gel pots is that none of them have a marker. None of them have a number telling you what exactly is inside. So I just put a little dot of each of them on the lid, so later I know which exactly I'm opening up. This one is the metallic silver gel. Very nice, very smooth glitter. This one is a rose gold or copper, whichever you prefer. And it means that the next 3 pots are light reflective gels. Let's open the first one. This is a black reflective glitter. You can see it on both sides with the reflection and without reflection. This is a silver one and a gold one, and you have all 3 of them. For this product, well, I don't exactly remember what I ordered as well. You know, when you order on AliExpress and it takes ages to arrive, so by the time when it's here, you just don't remember what you've ordered. Okay, we can see that it says number 03, but what is inside? Oh, it's a polygel. It says it's a liquid polygel, but it's just a regular polygel. And it has a very cute dusty rose pink shade. Next package. Here we have a large package from a store that I order regularly on AliExpress. I get all of my nail jewelries from them, and they always deliver very quickly. They always send their packages immediately after you've ordered, so I definitely recommend this store. By the way, all the links are in the description box. These are some trendy butterflies, and then we have some chrome powders or just nail powders, whichever you prefer. I already have these shades, but I just wanted to reorder them again just in case that I ran out. Then we have some rhinestones, also some trendy colors that I saw on Instagram, and then I decided to order them as well. The colorful ones are very trendy, but I also got them in black. And these are some teeny tiny crown jewelries. These are 10-piece set, and this one is a 1-piece set because this one is pretty expensive as it's a real zircon stones and it shines bright. Can you see? And then I also got some silver and yellow gold beads in different sizes. I have few sets, but then these sets have 6 different sizes, so I thought that might be very useful. And it has a turn lock so that none of them will run away from you. Nice. Then I have some nail stands. Let's check the quality. Oh, the magnet is very strong. Nice grip. Then a week later, I received a beautiful big box from Milk Gel with some new gel pouches. It was a secret box, so I didn't know what I ordered. You just pre-order new collection, you get a full set, but you don't know what's inside, but you get a discount because of that. These are some pretty names and a pretty packaging, but let's check what's inside. Some colorful gels, and it says that these are glass gels, and names are so funny. I love it. The set also comes with tips stickers so that your color palette looks beautiful. Oh, look at that green shade. Oh my god, so pretty. And here is the full collection. One side is a glossy and then another side with a velvet effect. Thank you everyone who watched this video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, like this video, and I'll see you next week. Thank you!